Easy steps for applying hair back. Make sure to shake the bottle before each application. Make 2 daily applications, 1 application to the whole head and the second to the thin or bald spot. If the intent is only to stop hair loss, then applying 1 time every day to the whole scalp is sufficient. If your intent is to overcome a dandruff or scalp psoriasis, use 15 to 20 spray strokes, then massage extensively until full absorption, 2 times every day to the whole head. When applying to the whole head, pump 15 spray strokes. For women, to apply the spray lotion, part the hair and aim the spray nozzle directly to the scalp. Using the whole hand, massage extensively into the scalp. To avoid tangling the hair, use straight motion when massaging the scalp. When applying the hair back, the strong massage should not harm the hair as long as you are using the indicated amount of hair back. Please don't be worried if you saw any hair on the hands as a result of the massage, especially during the first 2 applications. Once it is fully massaged and fully absorbed, the hair can be washed. For the best results, consistency and strong massage is necessary. Some users may notice periodical loss of hair at cycles from time to time. This indicates that the productive papilla have been activated and are pushing out the old hair. Soon, dark hair buds can be observed in place of such hairs. Thank you again. Please call us right away if you have any questions or concerns.